Sunshiners, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Athle Crate, and before we get into anything, can you believe how the world dissed me today? Girl, I've been walking around with a giant stain on my shirt all day and nobody has told me. So I've been walking around like a fool all day, not knowing there was a stain on my favorite shirt. This is my favorite shirt. I love this shirt. Basically, Athle Crate is $39.95 a month, and they always guarantee to have over $150 value in each box. They will include 6 to 8 fitness and wellness products in each of their boxes. Oh wait, there is cute packaging. Look how cute this packaging is. Basically, now that we've discussed how beautiful the packaging is, Athle Crate always promises to deliver 6 to 8 fitness and wellness products in each box. Now that we have mentioned that, can we just please talk about how abstract and gorgeous this is? I love this t-shirt. I need it on a t-shirt, please, ASAP. Okay, so basically it says Athle Crate, too fit to quit. Now, before we even get into unboxing this, I cannot even take myself seriously with the stain on my shirt. Oh my god, we gotta change. I don't even know why I buy any other color besides black at this point in my life because I am such a mess. I literally stain every other color besides black. Black is like the only color that I'm safe with. But before we get into boxing, I want to point out, heck yeah, I'm a bigger girl, but that does not mean that I do not enjoy the benefits and the wellness that being healthy and exercising brings to my body. And just because if you are a bigger girl or guy or small girl or guy and you know you're scared about getting into fitness, that doesn't mean that just because of your size you can't enjoy the amazing, wonderful feeling of going and doing a sport you enjoy, going and running, whatever you're into. Freaking go out there, do it, enjoy your life. Let's get into this box. Okay, so this is Athle Crate. It says, too fit to quit. I'm really excited to see what is in this. Oh wait, before, this is Athle Crate for Facebook and Instagram. And then right here it says, too fit to quit. Is this not a scary image or what? Okay, let's unbox it. I hope I can successfully not tear the box. Ooh, so far we've got black tissue paper. And it says Athle Crate, too fit to quit again. We're tearing it open. Oh, it smells like a beauty box. Like, you know when you get a beauty box and you're like, okay, I know there's like something scented in it this month. That's what this smells like. Okay. I got a little card in an envelope. Oh my goodness. It says, thank you for your order. Got a sec? Share a picture of your box on Instagram and mention Athle Crate to make us feel loved and for a chance to be featured. Okay, that's really cool that this is like, I don't know, it felt mysterious for a second. Okay, so basically here's what the rest of the box looks like. Boom. Oh, boom. Boom. I'm really excited to see what is in this box. Okay, I'm sorry I just hit you guys, but it probably put us at a better camera angle. Anyway, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this bright pink. Bright pink is my favorite color. So it says RX bar, 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, no BS. More dates than I've ever had in my life. Just kidding. Just kidding. But I couldn't resist the opportunity to make a really bad dad joke. Okay, so it says 12 grams of protein for a bar, and then the flavor is mixed berry. I've seen commercials for this like all over YouTube and stuff like that, and I haven't yet seen these in like Walmart or anything like that, so I'm really excited that I have the opportunity to try one of these bars. The next thing that I'm pulling out is socks. Oh my gosh, I got nice socks. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Okay, we're pulling them out. I always expect everything to be scented, and these are not scented. Oh my gosh, look how nice these socks are. Oh my gosh, these are some nice, like, high quality. Okay, there are cheap socks out there. I usually buy cheap socks, but these are not cheap socks. Okay, I don't know if I should do foot modeling. Let's see if I can even put them on. Guys, look at my foot. Oh my goodness, this is really uncomfortable to look. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on, let me tilt the camera angle down. Ooh, boom, my foot. It says, wait, let me unwrap. Story time. I got into a really bad shaving accident the other day and I literally cut so much of my skin. I have like this much skin on the back of my other leg missing because I literally just, I used a cheap razor and I almost died because I used a cheap razor. So here's the sock. It's so nice and so bad. I've got a little bit of arch support. It says Athle Crate in bright pink. What does this say up top on the ankle part? It says Stride Line. It says Stride Line right here. I'm sorry my chair's so squeaky. Ooh, this is a noisy video. So in case you didn't understand anything because I was compressed because I was trying to do yoga in my chair, we got some nice arch support, nice and stretchy. It says Athle Crate and then it says Stride Line right here. They're so thick. These are about to be my favorite socks. I want to know where I can order them because I'm already in love. Even though it's 100 degrees outside and in my house, I have one sock on. My foot feels like it's sitting in a luxurious sock. I am so excited. The next thing that I pulled out is a little card that says Athle Crate, too fit to quit. A little gift from me to you. 10% off an Athletic Crate. I don't know why I said Athletic Crate. An Athle Crate subscription. I will leave the code. Hopefully I'll remember to leave it in the description box down below in case you're interested in signing up. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this little bag. And it says, some of us drink tea. Perfect day. Ingredients, green. Oh, here we go with words that I cannot pronounce. Green rubius, dried pineapple, dried mango, dried papaya, orange peel, dried apple pieces, candela petals, rose petals, and natural flavors. And then it comes with steeping instructions. I don't want to open it because once I open it, the tea is going to be exposed to air and I don't want it to go stale and like not taste good. So we got some fun tea and I love trying new tea flavors. The next thing that I'm pulling out is another one of these bars. This one has 12 grams of protein. 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, no BS. Wait, is that the same? Yeah, but this one is apple cinnamon and this one is mixed berry. So, I don't know. I love how bright pink this is. I want like everything in my life to be this color bright pink. So basically we got mixed berry and apple cinnamon for these 2 bars I've seen all over like YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and all that, but I have yet to see them in stores. So I'm excited that I got the opportunity to try them. The next thing that I'm pulling out is lavender hand and body soap. Come pamper yourself. www.jennifersoap.com. Oh my gosh, so another small business being supported in these boxes. I love that so much. Okay. Ooh, it smells like lavender. I don't know why I couldn't just have smelled right here because it literally, I can touch the soap, but I can smell it better here. It smells very lavendery. Let's look at the soap. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. And you can tell it's hand cut. You can tell because there's like a little, it's like a little bit of on a diagonal, like boom. You know what I mean? Do you know what I'm trying to say? So here's, it's like orange and blue kind of mixed together. And it smells like lavender. That's nice. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this thingy. And I have no idea what it is because I have to look at it. Cages. Way too cool. Sports towel. We got to open it. Easy activation. Simply soak it, wring it, wrap it, and re-wet it to reactivate it. Retains water and maintains coolness while staying dry to the touch. We have to try it right now. It won't open fast enough. How do I open this thing? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Please open for me. Okay, I got it open with my pen, and I'm so excited to take this out of the package. Wow. Okay, so we got some cardboard. We don't need the cardboard. Look at this towel. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Can we show how big it is? Okay, well, maybe if you like look like this. I don't know. It's very large. I could probably wrap it around my body. So basically, I'm supposed to wet this and wring it, and it should feel cool but not wet. So I'm gonna go wet this towel, and we will be right back. Okay, never would I have ever guessed that in this athletic box would I have held a science experiment in my hand. I am so excited to feel this. I can't really feel too well with my hands because I just had them in the cold water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace this wringed out damp towel and I'm gonna put it on my legs. Okay, ready? Are we ready to see if it feels cool? Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so cool. It feels so nice. It's so hot out, guys. The heat is driving me insane. Okay, so it does feel wet. Maybe I just didn't wring it out enough. I don't have the strongest hands in all of the world, but it does feel cool. It literally feels so nice. Oh my god. Okay. Retains water and maintains coolness while staying dry to the touch. Yeah, I mean, maybe I just didn't wring it out enough. I don't have very much. I don't have a lot of hand strength, but it does feel very cooling. And I'm so excited because I'm about to take this with a concert. It's going to be like, so it's going to be outside. It's an outdoor concert, and at least I'll have something to help me stay cool. Let's see what is in this bag. So it says double under wonder. At first I thought this was going to be under wonder, but no, guys, it's a jump rope. Oh my gosh, and a nice little bag too, like a nice little storage bag for my jump rope. Okay, so I got this card and a jump rope. Oh my gosh. Not only is it the highest quality jump rope I've ever seen in my entire life, but it's super girly too. Okay, so we got these chevron, white and gray chevron handles. And then we've got the pink jump rope that looks a little glittery, but that's probably just because of the like metal on the interior of the gummy wrap, plastic wrap. And then I have never seen jump ropes that look like this in my entire life. This is literally so fancy. But hold up, we got a card that says tips for adjusting using your adjustable rope. Unwind your rope and step on it with one foot. Adjust the metal set screws to reach your armpits. Armpits. I said armpits, but I meant armpits. For beginner, or the bottom of your sternum, advanced. Clip off excess wire with wire cutters. And then it tells us how to jump rope, but like fitness jump rope. So basically for $40, I got this high-end jump rope that's pink and chic. So we got this. Do I look like Corbin Blue? Like, gotta get your, wait, that's High School Musical. I was supposed to sing Jump In. I'm so ashamed of myself at this very moment in time. Okay, so we got a jump rope. We got 2 protein bars from RX Bar. This is apple cinnamon and this is wild berry. We got a pair of super luxury, super cushy, super supportive socks. We got a bag of tea. We got a hand and body soap in the scent lavender from Jennifer Soap. And then we also got this super cool cooling towel. Oh my god. So much joy in this box. I'm literally so excited about this box, and I'm not a fitness buff. I'm not somebody who's super into fitness, but I do enjoy exercising. So I don't know. I think what I'm most excited about is honestly this towel, because I've never seen one of these before. I've never heard of one of these before. And it's like a science experiment in this box. However, the jump rope is also really cool. I don't know. The socks and the cooling towel kind of take the same place. So in total for $40, we got 1 thing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if I counted the jump rope. Wait, 1. Oh my god, counting is not my thing. Do they make an exercise to make yourself a better counter? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. So for $40, we got 7 things. We got a nice jump rope. We got nice socks. Honestly, the socks, that was it. That's what made the box for me. But this cooling towel is a very, very close second. Plus, this super fancy jump rope. Like, I didn't know they made jump ropes this, like, nice, high quality and fancy. In total for $40, I have to say, I'm actually really impressed. Like, I mean, I know the snacks or whatever, and the tea's like, and it's cool that they included this wellness product, but I feel like the jump rope and the socks and the towel, like, I feel like right there, all of them would be very expensive, and I spent $40, and I got $150 value, so I feel like, I don't know, I feel like this is like the BoxyCharm of the athletic world. I'm very impressed with this box. I'm very excited about this box. Round of applause to you guys. What's something that you would like to see in it? What was your favorite item that I had in my box? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.